This is Windows 10. Let's see how to use System Restore and create a restore point. So first come here to the start button and type in restore. Okay, and here we have create a restore point. So go on to this one. And on this window we can see that on the C drive the system protection is enabled. So click on create. Give a name, I will call it third, and click on create. Creating a restore point. Okay, the restore point was created successfully, and that's it. Let's see how to restore the computer using System Restore to an earlier point, an earlier restore point. Okay, so go to the start button, go to run, and type in this one, which is RSTRUI, and close it with OK. Now on this screen I will choose a different restore point and click next. Okay, I created this one manually, I called it second. I will use that one, click next. Okay, let's scan for affected programs to see which programs will be deleted after I restore this restore point. So I installed that program, and the program itself installed all those components, and all of those will be deleted. Okay, so close and finish. You cannot undo this process. Yes, preparing to restore your system. Windows is restarting. Please wait while your Windows files and settings are being restored. System Restore is initializing. After this, the computer will restart and Windows will be restored to its previous state without those softwares installed. Now the computer is restarting. Windows is starting. Okay, and System Restore completed successfully. The system has been restored to that date. Your documents have not been affected. Okay, and that's it. So the computer was restored to an earlier restore point using the System Restore program, which is included in Windows 10.